Gonna mix that around a bit so everything goes in. Alright, so we have a spoon and I'm ready to eat because this is gonna be my first meal of the day. Alright, let's see what's popping in our pot. I'm gonna see if I can eat every single thing out of this. Like, I highly doubt it. Oh. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, let me show you guys. It's a little bit sandy. A little bit sandy. But I have some, what's it called? Sugar and water with some lime juice in there. Yeah, I don't have no soda. So this is what I'm going to improvise with. So let me have some of that. Not bad, but not like the real thing. Oh, look at this spoon. See that little red dot there? That's one of the, I think it's one of the okra seeds. Oh my god! The soup literally tastes like a lobster itself. Bruh. Oh, fire. Oh. This is gonna warm my stomach back up. But while I was doing the diving, funny enough, but like when you went deep down, it got cold. Woo. Yo, look at that, man. A little bit of that sweet potato and some of that sorrel and some of that lobster bisque or whatever you want to call it. Oh. Yo, try this at home. If you don't like the lobster heads or you have some lobster shells left but you got a lot of them, make a little broth with it and add whatever you want to add. Oh my god. Let me tell you, it's good. Oh my gosh. Try one of the legs real quick. Oh, don't dare fall. That's a garlic. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And life's good. Life's hella good. Oh my gosh. You can already know, like once you bite into that, give it a good little suck. Oh, that meat. Wow. Oh yeah. Have anybody that's watching right now, of course, made anything like this before? Because trust me, if you have, let us know how you did it. Because this way, wow. Not because I made it, but let me tell you, it's really good. Well, you gotta try it for yourself. Now, like I said, like the leg part is good when you crack it open because I think this is a spiny lobster, right? So even when it's dead, this lobster is still fighting. Because if you get pricked with one of those, it's not nice. So what I did, I broke it open. Give it a little bit of a break so I could get into the meat quite easy. Still trying to stick me. Look at that. See? Nice bit of meat in there. This being my first dish for today, I can't afford to waste anything. But drop in the comments, what do you guys want to see me do next? Like for my dinner today. I was thinking of doing a bread pudding. Yeah, it's crazy I'm gonna do a bread pudding, but someone did say to do some baking. So I was like, alright, why not try to do some bread pudding? Or I could do some king crab or something like that, but probably for my breakfast. But anyway, drop in the comments and let me know. Yeah, ever since I was a kid, I've always sat with my legs crisscrossed. Even still today, my legs are crisscrossed. This soup is just so rich. Not even tasting the cabbage at all. The strongest flavor in the soup is the lobster. The spiciness is just good. Enough to give me a little sniffle. And it just makes so much great use of every ounce of flavor from the lobster. Alright guys, so I'm about to take a nap on God's good beach. Took a little swim just now, and yeah, I don't know what the plan is, to be quite honest. I just really want to relax as much as I can. Hopefully, if I probably will nap for like 30. I'm not even gonna sleep. I'm just gonna lay down. If I nap, I nap. But I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit, and then I have to head over to go check on my car, make sure everything is good with it.
and then I will try to make a fish trap so I can set it out, because I don't know how much longer I'll be staying here. So I'd like to catch a fish at least on this trip. Anyway guys, what do you think? Love, nature, adaptation, and if you enjoy the video, drop a like.